But the next problem is
I wanted to have this thing scanned and taken apart. Everything is mismatched and they're all cluster. I don't know. We hit our first snag on the manual transmission STO build. Tony, I need to unlock the STO. I gotta show everybody what's wrong. I wanted to have this thing scanned and taken apart. So if anybody in the comments knows who can make me a skeleton version of this particular shifter. Now, I know there's one online, super light, the performance cars that they make, like the fake Ford GTs, they use Graziano gearboxes and they make a skeletonized shifter for it. It's kind of ugly. I think it could be done way better. There's obviously a market, so I'll probably make like 15 of them. So if anybody wants to take on this project and design something really beautiful and really slim, not Pagani style because it has to be a base and set up, but if you guys want to look at Lotus Exige, this company in the UK made one that's super epic, and it was in my Lotus. But they don't make them obviously for Gallardos or, you know, Lamborghinis. So we're gonna head up to Bill Rader, who's building my gearbox right now, because he just sent me a text and he said, hey, look, I've got an issue with this gearbox, and this is for the manual transits going in here. So MSRP, that's my boy Nick. How sick is this plate? I'm not kidding. I am so jealous. Nick got the MSRP plate for his Raptor, or for, what'd you put it on?
Raptor.
Raptor, you're not gonna put on your Hellcat?
Selling it.
My G-Wagon's gonna stay 100 over. 100 over. It's a good plate, actually. You wanna go see a gearbox?
Hell yeah.
Yeah?
Why not? I don't know what I'm looking at, but yeah, sure.
Let's drive up to Bill Rader's shop. Nick, can you buy me lunch on the way there?
Of course.
I do owe you $500, unfortunately.
After your bad bet.
Yeah, I bet $2,500 that the Rams would come back last night when it was 6-10, and then it got worse and worse and worse. First impressions, Nick?
I like it. Seems just like a normal G-Wagon.
Yes, but worth
With a lift
$300,000 more.
With a lift kit.
It's a $300,000 lift kit, dude. You don't like that?
No, I'll take the green one all day.
The green one was only $50,000 less than this one.
We're talking MSRP to MSRP.
Oh, okay, not what we paid for what we paid?
Yeah, not for what we paid. Right?
Nick bought a green G-Wagon for $500 over sticker. And it's true, dude. It's the only one that was green in the whole world. He's like, I have to have it. Oh, there's the black one right there. See how dope Jenna looks in that thing. Damn! She's either embarrassed or she's had enough of me today.
Probably both.
Dang. He already has one too.
There's another.
This is a squared country right here, boys. Okay, so what's what? This looks like one box.
yeah, this is the gearbox that you sent us that has the bigger forks and everything. What we're running into is the shift sleeve for first and second is not compatible with the dog rings that are on the new gears. This is the one you shift the
Yes.
you know, the gear the shift lever. You know, this is going in and meshing with these teeth here.
Okay.
And so you can see, you know, the coarse splines and the
Yes,
fine
of course.
splines. It's not going to work.
This
So
is the new gear.
this is the new gear.
All right, I would probably say let's take apart that other box,
Yeah.
because what I believe we've been doing this whole time is mix and matching all these pieces
Yeah.
to make this work. Do we have drop gears?
Yeah. Those are these guys right here.
Are those aftermarket? These are the ones I brought you.
Yeah. Correct.
Okay, and are these good?
To be honest, no, I don't like them.
To be honest, I would leave the factory.
yeah.
Well, I want to get you the right gears.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
I've got another set of drop gears.
Made by who? The best ones I've seen are the Hollinger ones.
Who does Hollinger?
That's it's another gear company.
No, but do you know who uses them? What shop? Because they're not PPG.
Right.
I kind of feel like they're MCO gears. Because
Yeah.
this was a UGR gearbox.
Yeah, Underground had a deal with MCO.
Mm-hmm.
I generally use the Hollinger mid plate and then the drop gears and then their ring and pinion. It's another company in Australia, a gear company. Actually, a lot better than PPG.
PPG sucks, dude.
Yeah, so usually these ring and pinions fail.
Do we have a good ring and pinion?
Yeah,
or is
this
it
one's
stock?
fine right now. It's
Is that stock?
It's stock.
Do you make an aftermarket ring and pinion?
Yes, Hollinger makes a nice.
Does my
aftermarket.
gear kit come with that?
No.
Oh, that sucks.
Hollinger went the route of drop gears,
And ring and pinion.
mid plate, and a ring and pinion.
Okay.
PPG changed all the gear ratios, and and I don't know who makes this, but this thing looks like it should be in a tractor or something, you know. I don't think they're used. I think they've just been sitting without any protection and they're rusty. But the next problem is
The problem with this one, it won't go.
Well, no, we only. Oh,
it won't go on the new shaft.
Everything is mismatched and they're all cluster. But I need it because once you make over 2,000, you need all this stuff. Well, I've got another gearbox that's got drop gears and a mid plate already in it. And I'm thinking maybe I give that one to you to put this gear set in because I believe that it's probably going to solve all the problems. And this one here,
And it goes right on.
Yep.
The problem is,
it won't fit
for your clutch,
yeah, that doesn't work, right?
Yeah. It's not the same.
you have to force it on, and you don't want to
Can
do
you
that.
guys fix that?
I don't know, we can try and blast this and, you know, massage it a
Like, is
little
it the
bit.
wrong teeth count or something?
It doesn't feel like it, you know, it just
It,
Because
it feels like it
goes-
starts,
Yeah.
but then it's tight.
If we
So
can-
if we just got to get this gear here, it's
Yep.
only this one.
yeah.
It's only first gear?
Yes, first, second.
For a second, yeah.
Okay.
So it's just this ring.
Even if that did fit, if you feel, run your finger across it right there.
Oh, yeah.
Feel the
That burr.
ridge. It's pretty wore out.
All right, I'm gonna take this with me because I'm gonna see if I have one of these. I would say pop that other one open, right? And if that other one has better pieces, just use that.
Well, if it has the correct pieces, then we'll.
Right.
Yeah, but I mean, even if they're like less worn or anything
Yeah,
like
yeah.
that, just swap it all over because that gearbox should have the ring that you need.
All right.
I'm gonna get drop gears, so I need to find the drop gears immediately. You guys could probably solve this problem right here.
Yeah, I'll work on it.
So that seems like a logical explanation. If I can get a ring and pinion, that'd be nice too. I got one of those new G63 squares if you haven't seen it yet.
The Mercedes-Benz used a different manufacturer for the rear axles on these, and they're having a problem with the casting of the cast iron diff, and it's breaking.
The diff brake?
Yeah, have you seen the video?
No.
You seen the video? I've not seen
Have you seen the video?
This is news to me.
So,
Maybe we should just take this one home.
yeah,
This is the one you built, right?
This is the one I did. Yeah. So this guy's gonna have a good time driving past all you guys for the next 3 months.
What's it
Waving.
cost to do this to a normal?
100.
130 grand right there for what you see.
How much is this one?
This one was 460.
Yeah.
So 200 plus 130, 330. That one works.
And it's a brand new car.
Brand new, it hasn't even moved.
Yep. Whoa. When did you take delivery of it?
5 days ago.
Yeah. If you tried to go pick it up today or yesterday?
Yeah, they said no.
They wouldn't
No,
let
they
you.
said Friday. They called me and they said
don't
you beat
drive
the stop sale by 3 days.
Yeah.
So Bill's the leading guy that builds these, and he's a genius.
Because I asked him, I said, do we need to worry? And he said, nah, our conversions are good. Because we use the stock G63 axle. They use the new manufacturer for this axle, and they screwed something up on the casting.
I like the roof rack.
Yeah, it's the same roof rack.
Yeah, everything's the same.
Yeah.
I mean, the only difference basically is the fenders.
Yep.
I'll see you soon, Bill. I'm gonna go get this gear for you.
All right, cool.
Hopefully I have it.
All right.
Well, hopefully we make it back.
Thanks, Bill.
Nah, you'll be fine. Just don't take it over any gnarly jumps or anything.
Oh. Don't take it over any gnarly jumps or anything.
Okie dokie. This is Hollinger, and we're calling to get those drop gears and that ring and pinion. So I think I will go a little taller than stock. You know, it doesn't have to be aggressively taller, but I mean, I'm open to it. Suspense is killing me.
So you're still running the same RPM and everything?
That is correct. It still is a V10 car. Everything's the same.
We used to be the supplier to Lamborghini on all the GT3 cars, the cars that ran that. So we have a sequential conversion for that gearbox that changes everything.
Do you have like
Sorry.
stronger gear sets that are not sequential, or do you just offer sequential?
No. Yeah.
What's the sequential conversion cost?
You probably have to budget about 35
Yeah, that's not bad.
by the time you're done.
I don't know. I mean, Andy, you could have a look at that, but to my eyes, it looks different. Okay, so this is also a no-go. So this gearbox here is not gonna work. I'm hoping that that synchro on my third spare gearbox is different, because I've got like different gearboxes from Gallardo to R8 to Super Leggera, all these different gearboxes, and I'm just hoping one of them works. So this one is a no-go, and basically that puts us back to square one. But Andy is smarter than me, and he says that we can just look up what synchro belongs on there and order the right one, which is what an intelligent person would do instead of taking apart all of my spare gearboxes and just trying to find it from scratch. So Andy's gonna get on the computer and he's gonna do that, and then we are gonna be able to put this back together so I can put a manual transmission gearbox inside the STO, because that's the ultimate goal.